guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Nicole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I'm going to be reviewing this unit from Elevate Styles. This is a beautiful unit. I love this color, y'all. I'm feeling it. But anyway, this unit is from Elevate Styles, like I said, and this is the card. The name of the wig is Lady Lace Spin Part, Deep Part Lace. So it is a 6-inch parting space. It is just a straight part, but it is ear to ear, so you can cut off the lace and put some baby hairs like I did, as y'all can see. So on the back of the cards, they tell you how to wear the lace, and this is just some stuff for the lace also. And then how to remove it, and tell you how to handle the lace wig if you don't know. And this is how to wash and care for the wig. So they give you a lot of details on the back of these cards. They give you two, so yeah. And then it came in this box and in this bag, which I'm gonna put the wig back in when I'm done wearing it. So the price of this wig is right now $27. It is originally $40. I'm gonna put a screenshot right here of what the wig looks like on the website. It is I'm wearing the exact same color that she is on the card. That's really what sold me this week, is this color, because I really want to try this color, and now I have, and I love it. So the details of the cap is that it is adjustable straps, and you have the comb in the back. You have two combs up here. I would say this wig is big head friendly because I kind of got a big head. I'm medium size, I say. Well, I don't say I got a big head, but I'm medium size, and this does fit me pretty well. It's comfortable. It's not tight on my head, and also my braids aren't really that small either, so that also could be a thing. But since like I said, they aren't small, it's not tight on my head, even though my braids aren't small, if that makes sense, y'all. So the details of this hair is that it comes down to about right here. So I say that's about 24 inches. And tangling, not a lot of, well, I get a little snag here and there, but it's nothing major, I'll say. Now with shedding, there's nothing on this brush, but y'all, you watch my past videos, y'all know this is the brush I use for every wig. So let me clean it out, because it's every wig in this brush. Sorry, but this is just Old Faithful. You know you can't get rid of Old Faithful. So let me comb it through again. Okay, I have a couple of strands on here. Y'all can see that. Y'all can't even see it because it's blonde. But I just got 3 strands. So shedding, not a lot, basically. If you run your fingers through it, you're not going to get shedding, basically. So I recommend this wig if you do want to try this color. I really do like it. So it is fully black at the roots. And then it goes to a brown color. Then it goes straight to 613 color. So I don't have any cons of this wig. It's beautiful. That's all I can say. Yeah, I really like it. Just to let y'all know, FYI, the only thing I did to this wig was cut the lace, cut some baby hairs. It does come with baby hairs, but I just cut some more around the edges because it only had baby hairs up here. So I did cut some more baby hairs around here. And that was it. And I plucked the part. That was it. Did not pluck this because I didn't really want to. So this is not a straight out of the box wig that you just plop on your head. You do have to do a little bit to it, but it's not so much that it's going to take you a long time, you know. And they're going to take you over an hour to customize this wig. Because some wigs, you get them right at the box, you be like, whoa. But this wig is not one of those. So this is why I recommend this wig. So yeah. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, like I said, comment them down below. I will answer them in a timely manner. Yeah, bye guys.